Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk jerky, mountain style. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 6 to 8 hours to cook. Serves 10 to 12 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 pounds elk eye of round or top round, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon liquid smoke, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoons cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. Step 1. Meat preparation. Partially freeze elk for easier slicing. Slice with the grain into uniform 1/4 inch strips for consistent drying. Step 2. Marinade. Combine all ingredients except meat in large bowl. Add elk strips and toss to coat evenly. Step 3. Marinating. Marinate 4 to 8 hours refrigerated for deeper flavor penetration. Step 4. Dehydrator method. Arrange strips on dehydrator trays without touching. Dry at 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours until meat cracks when bent, but doesn't break completely. Step 5. Oven method. Arrange on wire racks over baking sheets. Dry at lowest oven temperature, 170 degrees Fahrenheit or lower, with door slightly open, 4 to 6 hours. Step 6. Testing. Properly dried jerky should crack when bent but not break completely. No moisture should be visible when squeezed. And that's how you make elk jerky, mountain style. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.